From KETK, you're watching East Texas Live.
Welcome back. Joining me now is Deirdre from the Bethesda Health Clinic, and today we're talking about their pediatric clinic and the different types of services they offer. How are you doing today?
Good, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing awesome. So can you just tell us a little bit about Bethesda Pediatrics?
Sure. So we're a clinic in North Tyler. We're on Richard Street. We have one pediatrician, Dr. Danny Price, and then we have 3 mid-level providers, so 2 nurse practitioners and 1 PA. We see children of all ages, 0 through 21, depending on their insurance and their needs. We do checkups every year. We encourage all the kids to come in for their checkups once a year at least. We do sick visits, so things like sore throats, coughs, earaches, and then we also help provide some mental health services. We have 2 counselors on staff. They can see kids for anxiety, depression, ADD, ODD, which is oppositional defiant disorder, trauma-related disorders, and then we also have dental services on campus. So we have a lot to offer for the pediatric population in Smith County.
Yes, I mean, you mentioned mental health services. Just talk about why that's so important that y'all have those services there.
Sure. So in Texas, we have a mental health crisis going on. About 20% of all children in Texas are dealing with some type of mental health disease. So it could be depression, anxiety, maybe they've experienced some trauma, maybe they've had separation from their family, maybe they're in foster care. And these things, if they go untreated, can really change their quality of life and the trajectory of their life. So when these things are untreated or not cared for, it leads to things like substance abuse because they're trying to medicate themselves with other substances. So it also leads to increased rates of school dropouts, teen pregnancy, violence, and incarceration. So our goal is to help promote mental health awareness, so helping caregivers be on the lookout for signs of depression, anxiety, mental health needs, and then we when we're doing checkups and as we're visiting with families, we're asking questions about have your children lost interest in things they used to enjoy, or are they having crying spells, or are they having trouble focusing? Because sometimes these things may be passed off as bad behavior, but perhaps they're dealing with something underneath that we want to help address.
Yes, ma'am. Where can people get more information, and who can be a client at your Bethesda clinic?
So all children are welcome to come to Bethesda Pediatrics. We accept Medicaid, we accept all commercial insurances as well, and then we also have an uninsured program. So people who don't have insurance or need assistance with that, we can help them get signed up. We have a sliding scale that they can sign up for, and most of the time we can get people in on the same day, depending on their need. So we can see them usually on the same day for a sick visit or a checkup, and also hopefully get them in with a counselor within 1 or 2 days as well.
Yes, I mean, where can people get more information?
So they can go to our website at BethesdaClinic.org, or they can call the pediatric clinic. The phone number there is 903-531-9455, and we're located on Richard Street in Tyler.
All right, well, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, ma'am. For more information, go to the website right there on your screen.